This 17th century ship was recovered from the ocean floor almost fully intact. In 1628, less than a mile into its maiden voyage, Vasa, a powerful warship, sank due to design errors and insufficient stability. The ship would remain at the depths of the sea for over 300 years until it was brought back up in 1959. Vasa was a vast, beautifully decorated ship. It was covered in wooden carvings that told stories about the Swedish royal family. The remains of the ship can be found in Stockholm's Vasa Museum, where the ship requires constant care to keep preserved.